In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make money with Claude AI in 2025. We're going to keep it simple. You'll use Claude to generate a polished, client-ready service offer you can sell without spending hours designing it from scratch. First, open your browser and head over to Google. This is the fastest way to find the official Claude site, and it helps you avoid lookalike pages. In the search bar, type Claude AI. You should see the official result at the top. Click through to the Claude website to open the chat interface. If you're asked to sign in, just follow the on-screen prompts so you can start a new conversation. Once you're in the chat box, we're going to give Claude a clear, money-focused instruction. Paste this prompt exactly as written. Create a complete AI automation services offer for my business. Include 10 services I can provide, the tools needed, simple workflows, and clear pricing tiers. Make it easy to understand and client-ready. This prompt works because it asks for deliverables. Clients expect a menu of services, the tools behind them, how each service runs at a high level, and pricing that removes guesswork. It also cues Claude to format it in a way you can share right away. Now click Submit. Claude will produce a structured offer that typically includes 10 service ideas, recommended tools, step-by-step workflows, and pricing tiers like Starter, Standard, and Premium. Read through the draft and tailor the language to your niche, whether that's e-commerce, real estate, agencies, or local businesses. Swap any generic tool suggestions for the platforms you actually use, and adjust pricing to match your market and your experience. If the output feels too long, ask for a concise one-page version or a slide outline you can paste into your proposal software. Here's how this turns into income. That single prompt gives you a professional services package you can present to prospects, bundle into retainers, or use as the backbone of productized offers. You can pitch it on your website, share it in discovery calls, or include it in Outreach as a value-packed PDF. Just remember to proofread for accuracy, confirm any tool limitations, and be clear about deliverables and timelines so expectations are set from day one. And that's it. By going to Google, finding Claude, entering a strong prompt, and submitting it, you've built a client-ready offer you can sell in 2025. Put it in front of real buyers, iterate based on feedback, and let Claude speed up the work while you focus on delivering results.